Hi, this is Lynn Dixon. I'll be reading from one of my latest books called Musings. This piece is called I Won't Crank and Moan. I thought of the spiritual song I Won't Complain when I read the line I Won't Crank and Moan from Bernie Mac's book, Maybe You Never Cry Again. His mother's pearls of wisdoms are filtered throughout the book. He decided that he wanted to be a comedian when he saw her go from depressed tears to a hilarious laugh in a matter of minutes as she listened to a comedian. He wanted to know who had the power to make a sad person laugh that wholeheartedly. The seeds of his comedic success were planted on that day. His mother Mary passed when he was a young teenager, but she laid the groundwork and left him with a host of teachings that he called Macisms. His grandmother and mother reminded him that every day that he woke up, he had something to accomplish. Isn't that a great lesson for all of us? We're basically a complaining society as we stay in quest of just one more material thing. We tell our woes and vent to all who will listen as we go through life and accumulate more belongings. Unfortunately, it's the way of the world. The news, the talk shows, and our conversations are normally filled with what we see wrong, what we fear, what we denounce and find uncomfortable. We go on, but we must simply stop and curtail that list of the negative observations and feelings. We should fill up our daily gratitude pages. One minister graciously reminded us to be thankful for something as small as a stick of chewing gum. We should write or audibly voice more thank yous and not crank and moan so much. The more we praise, the more we raise and lift the standard of being mindful of what we already have been given. Then we can humble ourselves, locate more peace, and practice housing a more appeased spirit. We can become more magnanimous, and grateful as we downshift into cruise mode and move forward.